I'm Anastasia Chatzka. I'm a fashion designer, pattern maker, and sewing educator, and I'm so happy you're here sewing along with me today. Today is all about the metal embroidery hoop, and the metal embroidery hoop is amazing because how does the fabric stay on a piece of metal with magnets? I just love using these hoops over the traditional hoops. And I'm super excited that we just got the metal quilting hoop, 8x8. I'm super excited about this because I really want to start adding some quilting to my work. So follow along and I'm going to show you how to use it and why I love it so much. So let's open it up and check it out and see what it comes with. Okay, here we go. Let's check it out. I love how big it is. Woo, there we go. Look at how big this is. This is amazing. Love it. Okay, so we have our hoop, we have our magnets. It comes with 8 of them. We've got some little instructions here. And then we've also got our grid to make sure we line it up correctly for placement before we embroider. So you might be wondering, why should I be using this metal hoop and not a normal 2-piece hoop? Well, sometimes your fabrics are too thick, or maybe you have like a really beautiful fancy silk and you don't want to damage it by hooping it together. That is why the metal hoop and the magnets are amazing. It is so easy to use. So watch real quick while I hoop this in like 2 seconds. So I'm going to be doing a quilted square. So I'm going to be putting down some batting for a little tote bag I'm making. And then I'm going to be putting down this piece of taffeta that I'm using for the outside of the bag. Now, all you need to do is find the metal hoop under here and start putting your magnets down. Now, I like to put them down, working my way around the rectangle or the square, depending on which metal hoop you have. And just keeping everything nice and flat. You don't want to pull it or push it or anything like that, but we do want it nice and stable. Oop, looks like we got a wrinkle in there. So I'm just gonna flatten that back out and put another magnet there. Oops. So you want to take a look at it after you're done and just make sure everything looks nice and smooth. And if you want to move any of your magnets or flatten anything out, you totally can. Now I'm going to be putting my design right in the middle here on this fabric. So I know we are all lined up. You might be worried that these magnets are going to slip around and your fabric's going to move, but they are so strong. Watch when I let go. It just adheres to it instantly. Everything is nice and strong and stable, and I've never had a problem with anything slipping. I've done everything from tulle to free open lace designs to cottons to denim, and everything always stays put really, really great. So let's head over to the embroidery machine and test out our embroidery. If you're enjoying this video so far, make sure you subscribe to Sewing Anastasia, hit that notification bell so you know when all the new videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. Now let's get back to hooping our fabric. So I have my machine set up to do a basting stitch all the way around the edge of the hoop, and then it's gonna start our design. So I'm going to hit play and let's do this. Tension looks good. We have no bubbles or puckers, and we did our basting stitch all the way around, so we are good to go. Let's go ahead and hit the play button, and we are going to create our quilt design. I'm so excited. And we're done. Let's take a look at it. Look at how awesome our embroidery looks finished on the Epic 2. It did not move. It's right where we put it, right where we left it. And if we turn it over, you can really see that quilted design on the back and on the front. I'm getting very 80s ski jacket vibes with this taffeta and the quilting, and it is inspiring me to make an entire winter coat with some quilting. What do you guys think? Isn't the metal hoop awesome? It was so easy to hoop. Our design turned out beautifully. It didn't ruin our fabric. We weren't fighting with the two hoops and our interfacing, trying to get it all in there. We just laid it on here and put the magnets on and put it in the embroidery machine. Can't even tell you enough how much I love these hoops, and I use them in all the different sizes. They are awesome. I use them for everything. I almost always turn to the metal hoops instead of the traditional two-piece hoop. So I hope you guys really check out these metal hoops next time you want to embroider something. They're a game changer. Thanks for watching Sew Anastasia today and learning about the metal embroidery hoop. If you have any questions for me, leave it down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I would love to know what you are embroidering right now. Share it with everyone else in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video today, make sure you give it a thumbs up, give it some applause, and well, leave a comment down below and let me know what other videos you would like to see. And if you're not already a subscriber to Sew Anastasia, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when all my new sewing videos come out. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for watching today. And don't forget, I now teach sewing classes in my design studio, and you can take them virtually as well. So check those out at sewanastasia.com. And don't forget to follow on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and TikTok, and all the social media websites, so that way we can stay connected and creative together. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.